Ignatian spirituality gives us an important tool, that is imagination. Imagining the image of Jesus. What is the image of Jesus you have in your life? For me, the image of Jesus is as companion, as friend. So I share all my trouble, I share all my joys to Jesus as a friend, as a companion. And likewise, we need to share all our joys and troubles, our difficulties to Jesus as friend, as companion. Be honest in your prayer. And once you share your trouble, once you share your joys and sorrows, I'm sure Jesus gives us peace, the spiritual peace that endures forever. My friends, the world might not give us peace, but Jesus gives us peace each and every time without asking. And he says, peace I leave you, my peace I give you. What a magnificent gift that is.